In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable board set up and ready for action, and you'll see how to update status, priority, numbers, dates, locations, and even save your work as a template you can use again. Start on your Monday.com homepage, signed into your workspace. At the top, look for the blue plus button. Click that to create something new. From the options that appear, choose Board. This is where your project or workflow will live. Give your board a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. For example, type Soccer Team Week 1 Practice. Once you've named it, click Create Board to spin it up. Right after your board is created, Monday.com's AI may suggest a structure based on your title. That's helpful here because a practice plan usually benefits from columns like status, priority, a number column for players, a date for practice time, and a location. Use the layout you're given, or lightly adjust it if needed. The goal is to get working quickly without overthinking the setup. Now let's make your first updates. In the status column, click the status cell for your main item and change it to Done when appropriate. A quick status change like this makes it immediately clear where things stand. Next, move to the priority column. Click it and choose High to make this practice stand out on your board. That visual cue helps you and your team focus on what matters. Head to the players column. You might see a starting value, like 18 players. Click that number and type the count you actually need, such as 12. Numbers update instantly, and they can feed into simple summaries or formulas later if you decide to expand the board. If any columns feel cramped, resize them by dragging their edges so that labels and values are easy to read at a glance. Click the item title, Soccer Team Week 1 Practice, to bring it into focus. Now click the practice time field to open the date picker. Move the selection from the 8th to the 10th and then confirm by clicking the 10th of April. Clear dates keep everyone aligned on when to show up and what to expect. For location, click the field column and choose Field A. Using a consistent location label helps with filtering and calendar views later. To make the most important item pop, use the highlight option. Turn it on so this row is easy to spot, especially in longer lists. With that in place, add structure to your board by clicking Add New Group. Groups let you segment your plan, maybe drills, scrimmage, and conditioning, so everything is organized under one board without becoming cluttered. When your board looks the way you like it, save time for future weeks by turning it into a template. Go to the upper right corner of your board and click the three-dot menu. Choose Save as a Template. Follow the prompts by clicking Next, then Next again to confirm the details. Finally, click Create Template. This locks in your structure, columns, groups, and formatting, so next time you can create a fresh copy in seconds. All of your changes save automatically as you work, and you can revisit this board anytime. That's it. You created a board, named it clearly, let AI suggest a helpful starting layout, set the status to Done when appropriate, marked the priority as high, adjusted the number of players, resized columns for readability, set a precise practice date and location, highlighted the key item, added a new group for structure, and saved everything as a reusable template. Use this same flow for other teams, projects, or events by simply tweaking the title and column labels to match your needs. With a few clicks, Monday.com turns scattered details into a clear, repeatable plan you can trust week after week.